After decades of mastering Google's secrets, I'm giving you 2 ways to transform your online presence. Option 1, learn directly from me. I've created a complete resource library, I host regular live events, and built an amazing community of business owners just like you. I literally share every Google strategy I know, no holding back. If you love learning and want to master your own marketing, this is your path. Option 2, let me do what I do best. Hand me the keys to your Google kingdom and I'll implement every winning strategy I've developed over the years. You focus on your business while I handle the technical stuff, optimization, and growth strategies. Here's the truth. Both paths work. I've helped hundreds of businesses succeed either way. The only difference is who's doing the work, you or me. Ready to level up your Google game? Choose your path. Learn from me or let me handle it for you. Either way, you're getting every Google secret I've got.